Hello dear students. In our previous class we learned how Bismillah Khan taken up his lessons of Shehnai and also about his big break that he got in All India Radio Lucknow where he played Shehnai, and also about his achievement when he was invited to the Red Fort and when on 15 August 1947 he played Shehnai in front of a large audience there, and amongst the large audience there was the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So these were the big achievements of Bismillah Khan. Now let us continue the story. Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances both in India and abroad. Here author tells us that Bismillah Khan, he not only performed in India but in other countries also. His first trip abroad was to Afghanistan, where King Jahir Shah was so taken in by the maestro that he gifted him priceless Persian carpets and other souvenirs. Now, the author says that firstly he went to Afghanistan, that is the foreign country, and where King Jahir Shah he was taken in. Taken in means impressed, or we can say attracted by the maestro that he gifted him priceless Persian carpets and other souvenirs. Souvenirs means other gifts. Generally, these are given as token of gifts to the visitors. Okay. And the king of Afghanistan was not the only one to be fascinated with Bismillah's music. Here, the author tells us that not only the king of Afghanistan was fascinated by Bismillah Khan's music, but also the film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed after hearing Bismillah play at a festival that he named a film after the instrument called Goonj Uthi Shehnai. Here, the author tells us that Vijay Bhatt was also impressed by his performances and he named his film after his instrument, and the name of the film was Goonj Shehnai. The film was a hit, and the film was a big hit. And one of Bismillah Khan's compositions, Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya, means this song was composed by Bismillah Khan, and it turned out to be. Turned out to be is a phrasal verb which means proved. A nationwide chartbuster. Chartbuster means record breaker. Okay, means it got a big popularity amongst the audiences and people. Despite this huge success in the celluloid world, Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to two. The author tells us that despite this huge popularity in the celluloid means old-fashioned way of referring to films in the film world. Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to two, but Bismillah only worked in only two films. Okay. Vijay Bhatt's Goonj Uthi Shehnai and Vikram Srinivas Kannada venture Sanadi Apna. These were the two films where Bismillah worked. I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world, he says with emphasis. And when he was asked about his quit in the film, he said, I just can't come to terms with the artificiality. Artificiality means a world where the things are copied. Okay, and where is a show off is done of the film world. So he quit the film world because he didn't like the artificiality and glamour of the world. Awards and recognition came thick and fast. It means Bismillah Khan won the awards and also his recognition in a large number. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. He was also invited in America in order to perform his Shehnai. He also took part in the World Exposition in Montreal, which is situated in Canada, in the Cannes Art Festival, and in the Osaka Trade Fair. Osaka Trade Fair, which was held in Japan. So he visited these two countries also. So well known did he become internationally that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him. Now, children, Tehran is a capital of Iran, and because of his popularity, the country named an auditorium in his country in the country as Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay. National awards like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan, and the Padma Vibhushan were conferred on him. And he also won these all awards. Conferred means given. Okay. So, dear students, you can see the popularity of Bismillah Khan, and also his, we can say that really he was a master of Shehnai. Because of that, he won these awards, and also he was popular in other countries also, that a country named an auditorium after his name. So that's all for this class. Thank you.